Welcome back to Skill Set Engage. Figured I'd get back into it. Something short, no crazy editing. Just going for a one shot here. Alaskan Sawmill from Vevor. You can see the part right there. So this Alaskan Sawmill, while it does function, it's not the best in certain respects. 5.5 inches for this block that's right here. And you'll see I am not quite reading where I need to be with respect to the gauge on each side. So don't trust the gauges. That's first things first. Other than that, works pretty well. If you're creating a shim block to say, hey, here's the depth I want to go, make sure that you account for this blade travel up and down. You'll see this is pressed right up against the bar. The blade teeth of the chainsaw are a little bit higher when it sets, and they will do a little bit of back and forth as you are sawing. So I'll have to run these through a planer when I'm done if I don't like the rough cut. Next thing is get yourself one of these bits. We'll go over the actual sawmill portion. Some other game area there, game-changing stuff that I've learned as I've done it. And yeah, well, here's hoping to create a few more videos.